folks. We are at Defeated Creek Army Corps of Engineers campground. Now 35 minutes from Nashville. And this is a pretty crowded campground. It is beautiful mountain country. This is a nice rolling campground, and it's got a lot of nice lakeside sites, and it's got a nice nice lake to play on. So we'll take you for a tour. So this is the map, and as you can see, it has a lot of sites, and we are on 113 way up here. So you can see the driveway slopes up quite a bit, and I don't think the other one's any better, and the rain walk washes off pretty fast when it rains. But so that's 14 over there, that picnic table that's really close to my camper, and his electric and water. Bathhouse closest to my site. There must be 5 or 6 of these. I think this is a bathhouse. There's another one right across the street. So wow, these are really nice. Same kind of valve as other ones, but these are neat. These have a little area. I might use one of these. It's got a soap dish. There's a little soap dish on this one. Little soap dish. Boy, they are spotless. She was right. And they got prison toilets. So this is what's across the street. It looks like just another bathroom. There's a washer and dryer here. It's nice, somebody doing their laundry. This place is a crowded campground. It is pretty close. All right. So I guess this side is toilets. Looks a little older than the other one, but very usable. Yeah. This one's a little, see, it's got a towel hook up there. And there's a smaller bathroom. Now, what's with the tiles this year? All these bathrooms are missing tiles. Oh, geez, that's terrible. Hot and cold faucets on the sinks. Cut several times, measure once. Sites 4 through 24. These are pretty big rig. Threw over one of these. These are pretty close for my best judgment. I mean, here is 16, and it's right on top of 17, and then it's right on top of 18, and then I think 15 is the pull through. The numbering on these is painted on the driveways. Now this right in front of us is, I missed it. What is it? It's 34, I think. That's a really big, nice site. I don't know why being followed it. You obviously have cabins, little tiny cabins. They apparently have bathrooms in them because there's no bathroom anywhere near here. There's a pretty nice beach way over there. I mean, we're at the boat launch, so it's a ways from us, but it's a nice beach. It's got a lot of grass area to sun or picnic or whatever. So this is the lookout and overlook to see the dam. Unfortunately, I think they really need to trim some of the trees because you can just barely see the lake and you can just barely see the dam. The dam is way over there and it's just between the trees. It's supposed to be the dam over there, I think, though it doesn't look like a high dam. But this is an incredibly tremendous valley. I mean, it's a great place for some kind of flood control structure because I'll bet this whole valley just floods.